Good day everyone. I want to show you how to make PVC where there is no blender or rechargeable blender. How to make PVC manually. I want to make PVC in my office and I don't have blender in the office. But because I'm going to use a plastic bottle and I have very hot water in this my hot water kettle, I need to mix with little cold water. So I am going to first pour little cold water here. Let me add more because the hot water is actually very hot, so it doesn't melt the bottle. Now I go to my PVC method. Now what I do now is get my cocoa. I'm using cocoa instead of coffee. Get my cocoa into the bottle. Normally I come to the office with some of this cocoa, coconut oil, my ghee butter. I come to the office with the ghee butter, so anytime I feel like making PVC, I just do it. I don't deprive myself of my PVC anywhere I am. Now I've added little cocoa. Then I'm going to add my ghee butter, the little one that I put in this container to the office. I'm going to add the ghee butter. I need to add more of the ghee butter. By the time I pour water, of course, those ones there will melt and go in. I have my ghee butter in it now. Good. I cover these two. Then I add some drops of coconut oil. Here is my coconut oil. I'm going to add some drops of the coconut oil. I need more drops because I need more fat. Good. Now, then I add the hot water. Remember, the water inside is just cold water so that it doesn't melt the bottle. Now I add the hot water. And the next thing, I shake, 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 shake. I'll keep on shaking until I get the PVC consistency that I need, and until I get that, I don't stop shaking. Shake, 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 shake until it forms just exactly like the PVC that we use with blender, that we do using blender. Now, good. I guess I have my consistency. Good. Now, I pour this in a cup. Here is my PVC made in the office. Here is my PVC made in the office. And that's it. If you're using blender, you're going to blend for like 15 to 20 seconds. But because I'm using bottle, I had to shake. Of course, I determine the seconds or minutes I shake it. The minutes I spend is shaking it.